Welcome back to my channel, lovely people. It's another clean with me. It's my dresser area. Maybe you call it your vanity, but we're gonna do the dresser today. I hope you had a fantastic weekend and a great start to this week. So sit back, relax. If you're cleaning, then let's get into it. So here is my dresser. You're gonna hear the TV in the background, but don't pay any mind. There's no music, so no copyright. But this is my dresser. So it is messy. It is messy. And we're gonna organize this today. See, I even have my mouse there. But yeah, we're gonna organize. So my first goal at fixing up my dresser is to look what's going on, because sometimes what shouldn't be going on is going on. Like, yeah. Alright, then secondly, I'm gonna look at what I have, and then I'm gonna organize into sections. So I have my hair, wax here, I have makeup here. You know, I have also my vitamins here. So all these things are going to go into order, and then I'll put them away. So let's get into it. All right, let's start off with organization. Yes, we use DPH in this house. It's just like Benadryl. It works very well for allergies, and this is the allergy season, but I got an advice last week that I should try lime every day. Warm lime and water. So let's see how that works out. All right, so we're just gonna organize and put things together. All right, let's get back to it. So I've organized a bit. So we have our hair products over there. We have some minerals and vitamins there. Makeup here. And we have miscellaneous over here, which includes some powder. Yes, I still use powder. So I have a little storage compartment here that I'm going to put most of these things in. Yes, I'm going to put them there, and some are going to go into other smaller compartments. And I'm going to take off everything, clean it down, and then put back what needs to go back. All right, let's get back to it. how cute is this? You know I have to come on and say some cute stuff is here, okay? How cute is this? I got this from my childhood best friend. She's so sweet. Just made my day. All right. My lovely people, we are at the end of part 1. There's a part 2 that you can watch at the end of this video or even in the description box below. We have a few more things to take off the dresser, but we are, guess what, almost there. So I will go ahead and finish taking off these things and we will be back in part 2. Bless. Okay, so we're